You know, there comes a time in every man's life where we begin to question whether we are well equipped or not. And you know, it's difficult, right? It's difficult to get a straightforward answer from others because it can literally crush our ego. And if what we're working with is, if it's short of amazing, then we may be hit with, you know, it's good enough, or we're overthinking it. You know, since I've launched my channel, I hope I help some of you guys out there equip yourselves with, you know, great timeless pieces. But today I'm gonna help you be better equipped when growing your own cucumbers. Let's get started. Okay, so I'll admit it, I'm embarrassed to say that my cucumber garden was really lacking before making this video. I didn't have any of the proper gardening tools to maintain any girth on my cucumbers. So tip number one, I highly suggest you invest in a good shovel and pitchfork. Next tip is having really good soil. Cucumbers need rich, fertile soil for it to grow strong and thick. My last tip, make sure they get plenty of sunlight. They rely heavily on photosynthesis to build strong and sturdy, and I mean, who wants a soft, flimsy cucumber in their mouth? Blah. But yeah guys, those are my 3 tips to grow stronger, thicker, bigger cucumbers. And happy April Fool's Day, guys. Yeah, I don't know, just wanted to make this video. All right, I'm gonna go back to sleep.